In this worksheet, I have a data set that shows 5 products and the sales of each product in 4 quarters, a total column and a total row. These values are coming from the East region. If I go to the next worksheet, Midwest, I have the same exact setup, the same 5 products, but with different values coming from the Midwest. And when I go to the next worksheet, I have the same exact structure, but with different values coming from the West region. If you want to consolidate multiple sets of input values having the same exact structure in another worksheet, instead of doing it manually, you can use this simple trick. Select the whole range and then start typing a sum function equals sum. I type a single quotation, asterisk, a single quotation, and then I type an exclamation mark and the cell reference. Currently it's cell B5. I close the bracket for the sum function and then I hit Control Enter. Et voila!